we're going to be having this illustrious brand. A little bit more will be discussed by Mr. Santosh over here. Some information about the gentleman that's just going to do a quick talk to you about our sales event that's going to be taking place for the next hour and 1 hour only. He's all the way from India, known as the Mighty Hand. Okay, he's somebody I've known for 5 years, has more watches than I want to count, and he has a lot of in-depth knowledge on tag hour and most Swiss watches that we do carry. Okay, just pay him a special ear, and then we'll get on with the proceedings as far as the sales event is concerned. Feel free, Santosh to you all. Round of applause.
Thank you very much. So guys, how's everybody doing? Good. Did you guys had your lunch? No. So that is why I didn't hear it. Rest of the people are starving, huh? Well guys, does anybody know Shakespeare?
Yeah. Not personally.
Not personally? Well, you can know him, sir. He's a crew member actually working in the bar, okay? Well guys, as Shakespeare says in his one of the lines, just lend me your ears, okay? So I'm going to ask you the same thing for like a couple of minutes. Please lend me your ears, okay? Because whatever the information I'm going to provide you, it's for free. Normally we charge for it, okay? But today it's for free. Well guys, as everybody know, we are having a big watch fest today and a big sale on Tag Heuer. It's one of the greatest Swiss watch ever made, okay? Now this particular one right here, what I have it, it's the Caliber S, the latest one what they came up with. It's 18 karat gold, rose gold bezel, and the rubber strap right here. Can anybody tell me what does this rubber strap is made up of? It's rubber, but a special kind of rubber. Can anybody? Well, it's made up of Formula 1 tires. In other words, it's a silicone rubber. Only by fire or by cutting it can be destroyed. Otherwise, by no means. If you see the locking system of this watch, it's very neat. Do not have to go through the hustle of like locking with a buckle or anything. Just press it and done deal. Now this watch, it's a very special one. Doesn't matter, it's this one or the other one. They are the greatest watches ever built. Now what makes this watch brand very special? It's the durability. Can anybody tell me what makes a watch a watch? Can anybody tell me? Keeps time? Yep, absolutely right. Well, that's the most important thing. Now this one, it's a complete automatic watch. Never have to worry about the battery. You can even see the movement of the watch from behind. Once you wear the watch for at least 8 hours in a day, and after that if you don't wear it, it's going to keep on ticking for at least 44 hours. That's the second highest power reserve in the world that a watch has it, okay? Now as you all said, time is the most important thing what makes a watch a watch. Now this is the only one watch brand on the earth that goes past through 60 different tests. So you can just imagine how durable the watch is. So you can abuse this watch like anything and it's going to remain as it is. In other terms, going to pass from your generation to generation. If I keep it in a simple terms, it's the most reliable watch that you can get it for a reasonable price, okay? Now all these watches, they are fully submersible. You can swim with them, you can take shower with them, and you can go up to 1,000 feet deep in the water. If you don't go that much deep in water, that much deep you can go in a shower, okay? Now guys, Tag Heuer, it's a brand owned by our company. So whatever the price that you're going to pay here on board, you won't find it anywhere around the world, as we guarantee the lowest price. Now these are the two sections right here, where we have all the watches. Before the sale started, we already sold many pieces. Like the gentleman standing right there, so can you wave your hand please? He's having one of the greatest timepiece. That's the best one, the first electric mechanical watch that they have ever produced. Specialty of that one, I do have one more over here. It has a perpetual calendar till 2099. You never have to set the date, day, month, anything. So guys, whatever you see here, that's all that we have it. So first come, first serve. Well, apart from that, the most important thing, when you buy a watch, a product knowledge is a must. We people don't work on commission, so it's going to be a hassle-free shopping for you. Okay, so whatever the knowledge is going to come from me, it's going to be from my colleague, Mr. Joginder, all the way from India, and my boss, Marcel, all the way from South Africa. Okay. We are qualified watch and jewelry specialists. We are in this business for over 10 years. So you can just imagine, product knowledge is a must. And an exceptional timepiece for a great price that you can get it, okay? So guys, big watch fest today. If you like watches, especially if you want to invest your money, this is the best watch brand to get it, okay? Now I think too much of talking, let's begin the fun part. So who's feeling lucky? Well, do you guys know the secret behind winning? Of course, yes, you have to be in it to win it. And apart from that, the most important thing, always the loudest person wins. So let me hear you.